Hello everybody and welcome back to Little Tree Learning, an English learning channel for young learners or new beginners. Our English lessons are designed to be short and concise in a lesson format for easy learning and understanding. Our topics are about learning new words, sounds, sentence structures, reading skills and using English in a one-to-one roleplay. Please support our learning journey together by hitting the like button and subscribing to the channel. Let's begin. Our lesson today is Phonics 8, short vowels, ot and ox sounds. Ot, ox. Ot, ot, cot. Cot. Ot, ot, dot. Dot. Ot, ot, hot. Hot. Ot, ot, pot. Pot. Cot, dot, hot, pot. Ox. Ox, ox, ox. Ox. Ox, ox, box. Box. Ox, ox, cox. Cox. Ox, ox, box. Fox. Ox, box, cox, box. Listen and say the sentence. The boy is hot. The boy is hot. A baby is sleeping in a cot. A baby is sleeping in a cot. A girl has a dot on her dress. A girl has a dot on her dress. The pot is hot. The pot is hot. The ox is pulling a wagon. The ox is pulling a wagon. He is the cox. He is the cox. The girl is carrying a box. The girl is carrying a box. The fox is in a box. The fox is in a box. Let's review the phonics sounds. Ot, ot, cot. Ot, ot, dot. Ot, ot, hot. Ot, ot, pot. Ox. Ox, ox, ox. Ox, ox, box. Ox, ox, cox. Ox, ox, fox. We're at the end of our lesson. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to stay up to date on new content. Have a great day and see you soon. Bye.